Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unpack RAR or zip files on your NUBIA Red Magic 5S using app called RAR. So first of all, we'll need to locate our RAR file or zip file. Mine is located in DCIM camera. And here is the pictures.rar. In order to unpack it, we'll need to press on it and open it like that. Now it will ask me for a password because it's protected by password, but some of archives are not. So simply enter the password if you got one and then press OK. From here, to unpack the files, you can already press this arrow pointing up and unpack all of the files instantly. But if you want specific files to be unpacked, simply select them like that and press the arrow pointing up again. Now click on the browse and pick the place where the files will be unpacked, and for me it's gonna be movies. You can also change the settings for ask before overwrite, overwrite without prompt, or skip existing files. You can enable to keep broken files, do not extract paths, or display extracted files. After doing everything, you can press OK and the files will be unpacked. So I unpacked only 2 because I didn't select all of them. Now let's move to the movies, and here we can find 2 of the files. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.